Prime Irani Rayad, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of EPCOT, EPCOTers, EPCOTians, citizens of EPCOT. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, EPCOT-tarians. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What? How? Didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question. Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man has an issue.
Well, that is a big man.
I need you to learn from your own crime.
I've been watching terrors from dogs.
I'm not thinking at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, well, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
Some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to the dawn time.
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
It's okay. The jump point is closing.
You can. Our power is down, and I've got to get these terrors onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I relocated the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
Wait.
What? Look, they're our only chance to keep a tracking it. We generated like piece of cake.
There's Kate. Where's this Kate?
The answer is possible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on. Hey, I got this.
We're all toast.
First it was Kate, now there's toast. This plan is making me so hungry.